65,000 Virginia Beach students returned to the classroom last week, and so far, Superintendent Spence says it's going well. Sarah Hammond spoke to the superintendent, who says they're doing what they can to keep COVID-19 cases low and the teacher morale high.
Since September 1st, Virginia Beach schools have seen 121 COVID-19 cases. Superintendent Dr. Spence says that is a pretty even mix of students and staff.
Spence says right now, transmission rates inside their buildings are low.
Obviously, we're in our first week of school. We're anticipating those numbers will likely go up.
He says keeping schools open is their biggest challenge and #1 priority. But right now, they aren't sure what it would take to shut down again.
We're also contingency planning for a scenario where an entire classroom may have to close or a school may have to close. And in those scenarios, we would switch over to virtual learning very quickly.
While keeping a close eye on COVID-19 mitigation strategies, they're also making sure their teachers are okay.
I'm very concerned about the workload on our teachers. I'm very concerned about the impact of this pandemic on our teachers over the course of the last 2 years. It's one of the conversations that we had with our mental health task force. How can we support and make sure that our teachers are doing okay?
With maintaining CDC mitigation strategies, making sure everyone has their masks on, and having a plan if they have to return to virtual learning on a dime, it's something many teachers never thought they would have to do.
We made a commitment to our board and to our teachers that we would mostly eliminate concurrent instruction. That last year seemed to be the thing that really was the giant stressor for our teachers.
Spence says they haven't had any problems with people not wearing their masks like they're supposed to, and he says they have very few religious or medical exemptions. For 13 News Now, I'm Sarah Hammond.
And Spence also says they will assess where students stand academically after the difficult year last year. But for now, they're focusing on getting to know the students and building routines again.